Hey guys, welcome to Character Modeling. That's right, welcome to Character Modeling. We made it to week 7, so a lot of cool things after that at the end of it. So I'm really excited to take a look at your textures. I did notice that there weren't too many assignments turned in from week 6, so please get them in as soon as possible. That way we can get them graded, get you feedback, and really get you moving on your stuff. If you have any questions about that, let me know. Other than that, there's no real information for this one. I just wanted to let you know you have your discussion post due. You had your initial post due on Tuesday, but you have your reply post due on Saturday. Note, all you have to do for your initial post is you just post the image, and then you post stories about your classmates' images. That's pretty much how you do that. And then also your texture assignment as well. Sunday. Other than that, that's all I got. Keep an eye out for week 8's assignments and stuff. I'm sorry about my son. He's a little bit bored right now, so he's kind of crying. But other than that, be safe, have fun, enjoy. I'll see everybody for my next assignments out for my next announcements on Monday. And that's pretty much it. Have a great weekend. Let me know if you need anything. Bye-bye.